Hare Krishna. There is a very interesting story in the life of Ramanujacharya. Ramanujacharya, who is the great Acharya of the Sri Sampradaya, had a disciple called Dasharathi. Dasharathi was a great scholar, but he had a little pride in him. Ramanuja wanted to make him humble. So, Dasharathi comes to Ramanujacharya and is asking Ramanuja the meaning of one verse in Bhagavad Gita. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshashyami masujaha. So this is one of the most important verses in the Bhagavad Gita. So Dasharathi sincerely wants to know the meaning of this verse. Ramanuja decides to test Dasharathi and decides to humble Dasharathi. So Ramanuja tells Dasharathi, you go to my guru, Goshti Purna. He will tell you the meaning of this verse. So this incident happens in Srirangam. So Dasharathi, following the orders of his guru Ramanuja, walks all the way to a village called Tirukotiyur, where Goshti Purna was staying. And he is requesting Goshti Purna, please tell me the meaning of this verse. For 6 months, Goshti Purna neglected Dasharathi. Dasharathi wanted to know the meaning of one verse, but for 6 months, Goshti Purna neglected. And finally, he told Dasharathi, you think that by education, by knowledge, by having all these material assets, you will gain wisdom. But this is not so. One needs humility. And Goshti Purna tells Dasharathi, go back to Srirangam, Ramanuja will tell you the meaning. So after 6 months of staying there and rendering service there, he doesn't get to know the meaning of this verse. He walks all the way back to Srirangam, and when he is discussing with Ramanujacharya his experience with Goshti Purna, one of Ramanujacharya's guru, his name was Mahapurna, and Mahapurna had a daughter named Atulai. So she comes crying to Ramanuja. She considered Ramanuja to be her brother. So she comes to Ramanuja and tells Ramanujacharya that I am suffering in my house. My mother-in-law is torturing me. I have to walk 2 miles to get water for the kitchen, and then after coming I have to cook all the 3 times. It's getting very difficult. And when I tell this to my mother-in-law, the mother-in-law says, we don't have money to get a cook. You get a cook from your father's place. So my father Mahapurna sent me to you. So Ramanujacharya, who is the Acharya of the Sri Sampradaya, also had to counsel and do practical solutions. So he told Atulai, what you need, my sister, is a cook. And right here there is a cook. And Ramanuja told Dasharathi, go to the house of Atulai. Who is Dasharathi? Dasharathi was a great scholar, a very, very powerful preacher. But following the orders of his guru, he goes to the house of Atulai. And for 6 months, he does menial service as a cook. He goes, walks every day 2 miles, gets water, cooks all the 3 times, and is doing menial service. So one day it so happens that in that village there is a pravachan, there is a lecture by some Vaishnava, and this Vaishnava quotes a wrong philosophy. He quotes the impersonal understanding. So Dasharathi was sitting in the pravachan. When he heard this, he couldn't tolerate. So he corrected this Vaishnava. And this devotee got so angry, he told Dasharathi, how dare, you are a cook, you are telling me what is the right understanding. If you are intelligent, come and speak the right understanding. Dasharathi goes there and explains this verse, the proper understanding, quoting all the scriptures. And all the villagers that time realize that this cook is not an ordinary person. He is the famous Dasharathi, the disciple of Ramanujacharya. So all the villagers, they go to Srirangam and tell Ramanujacharya, please take Dasharathi. We can't tolerate that he is doing such humble service. He's actually become very, very humble. So when Ramanujacharya realizes and understands that Dasharathi has become humble, he becomes so happy, he walks all the way to this village and he meets Dasharathi. And Dasharathi and Ramanuja embrace each other. And then Ramanujacharya explains the meaning of this verse from Bhagavad Gita. So many times we have a question and we expect an answer immediately. But in spiritual life, without the right attitude, we will not be able to understand spiritual concepts. That is why Srila Prabhupada explains in his book, the advancement of a person in Krishna consciousness depends on the attitude of the follower. And what does right attitude mean? The right attitude means service attitude. तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्षति te jnanam jnaninas-tattva-darshina. So Krishna says, in this way one should approach a guru, render menial service and inquire submissively. So through this beautiful pastime, Ramanujacharya is teaching all of us that in order to gain spiritual knowledge, we actually need to become very humble and we need to serve the great souls with great humility in our hearts. Hare Krishna.